started out doing regular credit, and then in one of my master mentorships, we were there, and this dude came on once upon a time speaking about consumer law. I'm like, what is that? So I'm there listening. I'm like, oh, this is different. Because the thing is, I like knowing things other people don't know. It's always been a thing of mine, right? So I started doing my research, and I started learning it, buying books, reading some more. And dude, I said, yo, I'm gonna own this consumer law industry, and I did.
Wow. That's crazy. I mean, the things that are running through my head, one is, like, if people, because I know a lot of people who they get really low credit scores, you know, they get behind on debt, on credit card payments, loan payments, what have you, and they can feel a sense of despair, like, oh, it's over for me.